How to fix Instagram messages not loading. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram messages not loading easy and fast. So first thing we have to do guys is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, and after that here on this page go to the apps again. Now right here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram like this. Click on it. Now go to this option here, search for it and click on it. It's called Force Stop. When you click on it, now all what you have to do is very simple. Go to the data usage and make sure that all the network access options are enabled. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.